Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Tuesday, April the 30th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, use this email address. Link to get into our free room. And in the email you're getting, you will again see the link to sign up for our test drive. The test drive starts on Monday, May the 6th, runs for 5 trading days. So for $8.99, you can have access to our premium service, just as if you were a premium subscriber. And once the test drive is over, there's nothing for you to do. You don't have to cancel out. The test drive is over when it's over. We don't put you into a subscription, all right? If you want to take out a subscription afterwards, great. We'll give you a nice promo code, but you don't have to worry. We don't put you into a subscription automatically. We get that question a lot. And let's see, there's also a promo code here if you do want to take out a subscription right away. 15% off using the promo code, either off the first month or the entire year of a Trade Ideas subscription. I open the room every morning at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. I go up to 3:30, Mondays to Thursdays, and up to 3 o'clock on Fridays. All right, well, let's see what happened today. Actually, kind of a quiet day for me again. I'm a little bit surprised. I thought I would do a little bit more when we had earnings today. Too bad. Look at that one, now down to 15.22. Anyway, run is one that I did take on a short. This came on the gap down. It was not an earnings play. Not really sure. Didn't see any specific reason for this one, but you could see it in the pre-market. It was gapping down, and the market opened. And when it got under 16, I decided to take that short. Got in at, I think it was 15. Actually, I'm wrong. I got in very late. That's right. I wanted to get in here. Am I right? This is run. Yeah. 1551 is where I got in, actually. Yeah, right here. I think there's a reason for it. Let me just check the daily. There might have been a reason for my waiting. Yeah, I was waiting for it to clear this area right here, okay? And that's what it did. So I took the short at 1551. Had a nice run all the way down to 1526. I covered some actually at 1529 and then the way up at 1541. So nothing fantastic. Had a nice little pop, and now look at it. Now it is really, what a great candle that is. But I'm not in it anymore. And really, I mean, that's the only thing. I mean, I did a couple other very small ones. OII from Holly, I tried. This was a short situation. I think the short trigger was, let's see where it was. Said 1860 down here, 1860 on a short. And I actually... Yeah, I covered, actually, okay, now I remember what I did. Sorry about that. So it moved up. This is an earnings play. It moved up. And then you'll notice that there was a re-entry at 1885. So that's what can happen. The re-entry is halfway between the initial entry, 1860, and the stop. Remember, this is a short. So, yes, Holly got stopped out. It hit 1910, and then it came back down. So... maybe giving, and if it once it hit 1885, which was at 958, then you got a secondary potential short situation. So I actually took it here, but I got out of it, I think, for a 11-cent loss or something. I tried the reshort right there. And actually, I think I was going over my links. I think around 9:30 or 10:30, I go over links because I did want to take this one on the break right here, and I missed it, and it took a big pop way up to 1966 from about 1920 almost immediately. But anyway, now it's starting to work. You can see now it's starting to work. Very, very, there was the original, on the secondary anyway, 1885. Now it's starting to work. But anyway, that is about it. I mean, I know MNK, I tried a short on this. I think there's some news out about this, bribery of doctors and all that. And I think this was a confirmation perhaps, because I seem to remember that this stock has been in play like that several months ago. Anyway, obviously the news broke again, and I did short this at 1590 and got out at 1592. So, but that's about it. I've really, and some of the high flyers, the Pinterests, the PINS, these were, let's get to the daily. These were an IPO from back here. Some of them now are finally starting to give it up. I don't mean that this is going to really give it up all the way back down, but today was seen to be a day of profit taking for several of them. JMI, another one. Of course, this had a pop on this day and it pulled back. Looked like it was going to run again. A little bit of a pullback. Tiger. What's Tiger doing? Yeah, Tiger really hasn't recovered after that. After this day, a little bit of a pop up here. Tell you, if it takes this out, this could be a great short. Right in this area, takes this out. Now, I am going to be looking at, hopefully I've got the name right here. Beyond Meat. Well, you'll have to, it's Beyond Meat. Okay, they are IPOing. The symbol is, it's B something. I can't remember what it is. And they are IPOing on Thursday. That could be a very interesting one. I think the IPO price is around 20. Where it opens is another situation. But the big deal, I think, is Goldman Sachs. I believe JP Morgan Credit Suisse is behind it. So some big heavyweights are behind this one. This is one that I may try to swing. I may not take it the first day, but I'm bound and determined to take one of these IPOs and swing it. And, so how I'm looking at that, if it opens very strongly. So if the IPO price is 20, but let's say it opens at 25, 26. So lots of enthusiasm. And with those names behind it, there's a good possibility over the next couple of weeks it could have a nice run. No guarantees. This is not a recommendation to do it, but this is what I am going to be looking at, and it has its IPO on Thursday. Just have to look for IPO calendar, and it's Beyond Meat. Interesting name. And that is about it. Oops, I'm going to cancel out this. Okay, bring back the capture program. So again, any questions for me? Use this email address, trading room link. I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. Don't forget, you want to sign up for the test drive that starts on Monday, May the 6th, 5 full trading days for $8.99. Okay, hope to see you in the trading room tomorrow. Bye-bye.